Okay, so I want to do number 52 and 6.3, which has these 4 sets of transformations. So the first one is go up 3, then vertical stretch by a factor of 2, then a vertical flip. Then the second one is do a vertical flip, do a down 3, then do a stretch by 2, and then some others that are kind of similarly worded. I'm supposed to figure out which ones are the same and which ones are different, right? Okay, so in order to do this, it might be just easiest to figure out if I can, like, maybe make a formula for each one, right? Are these before or after the rule things?
Well, it looks like they're all after.
Yeah, they're like up, vertical stretch, vertical flip. Vertical flip, down, vertical stretch, vertical, 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 right? Everything inside is vertical, so it's all after the rule, right? So really, I don't care what happened beforehand. Like I might have some function f, right? But then all the interesting stuff that I'm talking about is happening after that rule. So that first thing is in part A, up by 3. How do you do up by 3?
Add 3.
Add 3. Okay, next thing was vertical stretch by a factor of 2.
Multiply by 2.
So you multiply by 2. Then your next thing was
Multiply by -1.
multiply by -1. Oops, not multiply by 1. That one's boring. Multiply by -1. So if I write down a formula for this thing, right? Like for part A, my formula should be f of x plus 3
All multiplied by -2.
all multiplied by -2. You guys with me on that? Like that's part A. Okay. Now part B says so I should do f, right? And then I need a vertical flip,
Multiply by -1.
multiply by -1. Then I need a subtract 3. Then I need a stretch by 2, right? You guys with us? Okay. So what's the formula for that one going to be?
-2f of
Whoa,
x
hang on.
minus 3.
So the negative makes f negative, right?
Uh-huh.
So I got negative f of x minus 3 all times 2. Okay, if I distribute the -2 in there, maybe let me algebraically simplify A, I guess. So I got -2 f of x minus 6. Oh, that gives me some, like maybe that's what's up with the -6's. This guy, if you multiply through, you get -2 f of x minus 6. Okay, A and B are the same. And then let me see if I can get these two out of it. I probably can. The one that goes down 6 at least seems familiar, right? Are the first 2 bits a vertical flip and a vertical stretch by 2?
Yeah.
Yep, so C is the same thing because it's that one. And now I just need to know about this guy. So if I do a vertical stretch by 2, what's that going to do?
Multiply by 2.
So you're going to get 2 f of x. Then how do you go up 6?
Plus 6.
Add 6. And then you need to vertical flip the whole thing, right?
Multiply everything by -1.
Take the whole thing and slap a negative sign on it. So if I distribute the negative sign, I get, yep, back to my master formula.
So they're all the same.
So they're all the same.
Okay, that makes it easier. That makes sense why I couldn't figure out which one was different.
Oh yeah, the classic mind trap of having to answer that all the true-false questions are true. Yeah. Yeah. I did that to a Calc 2 class once. Bunch of true-false questions. All the answers were false. Just not a single person could bring themselves to write that they were all false. They all, it was bad too. The smarter students had erased like a whole bunch of them and tried changing them back and forth. It was fun. I had a good laugh.